What could possibly be better on a sultry summer night than a crisp, cool cocktail? I'm asking, what could be better? Yeah, I can't think of anything either. That's why tonight I'm excited to bring you a lemon thyme cocktail that will excite and delight you and refresh you. Right? Fluffy doesn't drink. The drink recipe comes to me from Hilltop Hanover, which is a farm and environmental center in Yorktown Heights, New York, which is in Westchester County. So if you live in Westchester County, you definitely want to check it out. Anyway, so are you ready? Let's get started. Place 6 sprigs of thyme in 2 cups of water. Simmer for 10 minutes, then remove from heat and steep for an additional 20 minutes. Add half a cup of sweet, sensuous, delicious honey, followed with half a cup of fresh lemon juice. Strain it and then give it the cold shoulder in the refrigerator until chilled. Add 1 cup of chilled vodka or ginger ale or tea if you're mocking a mocktail. Then pour over ice. That's nice. And add a sprig of thyme to make it look pretty. I usually don't like to drink in front of the children, but I'm making an exception tonight.